Class 11 students, now I will do associated angles remaining sum from the book of Shaha and Shaha, Kullani publisher. These are the sums I am going to do. You take the screenshot since you do not have book, so that you can solve sums. 12 part B, see the sum cos theta minus sin theta equal to 0. I have to find the value of theta, where theta lies between 0 and 2 pi, that is 0 and 360 degree. The range, we have to find all the values. See here, cos theta minus sin theta equal to 0. You take sin theta in the right hand side, then sin theta equal to cos theta, divide by cos theta, then cos theta will come here, that is equal to 1. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta equal to 1. 1 means tan 45 degree. So theta equal to 45 degree. You have learned this thing up to class 9. But if you keep up to this, the sum will be wrong here. Because we have learnt that not only first quadrant, other quadrants also may have values. Now you see here tan theta equal to 1, that means positive value only. Now all sin tan, here also tan positive here also, first quadrant also tan positive. First quadrant's angle we have already got. Now third quadrant angle, what it will be? How to go to third quadrant? You see 1 into 90, 2 into 90 plus something. So if you do 2 into 90 plus something, see here 2 into 90, 1 means 2 into 90, that is 180 plus 45. Its value also 10. Its value also 1. Now both sides tan cancel. So theta is equal to 180 plus 45, that is 225 degree. All sin tan cos, this and this quadrant we will not get the value, because tan here negative and here also negative. So we will get positive value in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant, because from the formula all sin tan cos, this quadrant only we will get values. Now next sum, same range 0 360 degree. The range is in between 0 and 360 degree. We have to find the value of theta. So here cos square equal to 1 minus sin square you can write. Now cross multiplication, 4 sin square theta, 4 sin theta equal to 1. Now bring one side, 1 minus 4 plus 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta equal to 0. Then simplify. You see 4 3s are 12. So 12 means 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12. So 6 minus 2. 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta is 4 sin theta. From here you take 2 sin theta. From here you take minus 1 common. So this is, you can take common. So 2 sin theta minus 1 is there. Now you do either or. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Now see here sin theta equal to minus 3 by 2. But I have given not equal to. Why? Because sin theta value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Sin theta will lies between minus theta and plus theta. But here the value is excluded. It is beyond the range. It is less than minus 1, because this is minus 1 whole 1 by 2, less than minus 1. So sin theta cannot contain this value, so it cannot be. That is why I have written not equal to. You also have to write this thing. But here you see you are getting half. Now half means sin 30 degree. Theta 30 degree you got in the first quadrant. All positive, so sin also positive. First quadrant we got. All sin, here also sin positive. So how to go to second quadrant? Sin 2 into 90 minus theta. See here 2 into 90, 1 into 90, 2 into 90 minus if you do, then only it will come to second quadrant. 2 into 90 minus theta, that is 180 minus 30, that is 150. But you can tell that 1 into 90 plus theta also. See, 1 into 90 plus theta also second quadrant coming. But one problem is there. If you write sine 1 into 90 plus theta, but odd multiple give you cos, but that side sine. So you cannot do that. That is why you have to take even multiple only here. I think it is clear for everyone. Next, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. 2 sin theta equal to 0. Take sin theta common. Then do either or. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Now here you do 2, you take right side, then do cross multiplication. Cos theta equal to half. Cos theta equal to half means cos 60 degree. First quadrant done. And all sin tan cos. Cos positive here also. So how to go to fourth quadrant? 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 4 into 90 minus theta. That way also you can go. So I did here 4 into 90 minus theta. So theta equal to 360 minus 60, that is 300. And from here sin theta equal to 0 means sin 0 degree. So theta 0 degree. And this is first quadrant, and sin second quadrant also. All sin here also positive. So how to go to second quadrant? 2 into 90 minus theta. See, 2 into 90 minus theta. Now minus 0 I have given. Why? Because minus theta here sin 0 is 0, that is why theta value 0. So 180 minus 0 is 180 only. So how many answers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 answers we got. Next is cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square. 3 will go that side, 5 by 3. 1 will go that side. So after LCM we are getting 2 by 3, 2 to cancel. So cot 3 equal to plus minus 1 by 3. You see here I have taken either cot theta minus 1 by 3 or cot theta minus 1 by root 3 or plus 1 by root 3. See, cot minus 1 by root 3, all signs, second quadrant negative, cot second quadrant negative. So second quadrant how to go? 2 into 90 minus theta, that is 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Again, see all sin tan, here also cot positive, here is cot negative. So fourth quadrant cot negative. So fourth quadrant how to go? 4 into 90 minus theta. Here it is wrong, it will be 4 into 90 minus theta, that is 300 degree. Here it will be, you make the correction, because fourth quadrant all sin tan cos, fourth quadrant negative, so it will be 4 into 90 minus theta. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 into 90 minus theta. So 4 into 90 minus theta, it will be 360 minus 60, that is 300 degree. And again another one, cot theta equal to 1 by 3. Do here cot positive, that means first quadrant all positive, cot 60 degree, 1 by root 3, so theta 60 degree. Again third quadrant also positive, all sin tan, tan positive means cot also positive. Third quadrant how to go? 2 into 90 plus theta. So here 2 into 90 plus theta it is done. Here 60 degree. So 180 plus 60, that is 240. So this is one answer. This is one, this is one, and this is another. So these 4 are the answers. This sum also you can do that way. See it, I am not explaining because you can understand. But this sum I need to explain, because in the question it is told that ABC are the vertices of a triangle. So you can write A plus B plus C equal to pi. Pi means 180 degree. You see that I have written here. So B plus C you can write pi minus A, that is 180 minus A. C plus A you can write pi minus B, that I have written. A plus B you can write pi minus C, that is 180 minus C. So here you see sin 2 into 90 minus A, that is even multiple will be sin A. Sin 2 into 90 minus B, that is sin B. Sin 2 into 90 minus C, that is sin C. It is in the second quadrant. 2 into 90 minus theta. 1, 2 minus theta. So second quadrant all sign will be plus. But see here 2 into 90 plus A. That means third quadrant it will be minus. That is why minus sign come here. Here also minus sign come. Here also minus sign come. Now denominator take minus common. Then this denominator and it will be cancelled. Same. So cancel. So minus 1 and that is required to prove. So it is done. The same sum done here. Now see, it is told A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means A plus B plus C plus D 360. So, and you can write A plus C equal to 180 and B plus D equal to 180. This because this is cyclic quadrilateral. Now see here, first sum, sin A plus sin B plus C plus D can be written 360 minus A. Now 360 means 4 into 90 minus A. Now sin even multiple will be sin only. But see the quadrant, 4 into 90, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 90 minus theta. That means all sin, tan, cos positive. Our sum is sin, so minus sign will come. That is 0 answer. Now see here A plus C equal to 180. So if you do by 2, then 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So here you can put 90. Now 90 means 90 plus 0. So sin 90 plus 0, that is cot. Here also tan 90 cot 90. So tan 90 plus 0 is cot 0. Tan 90 plus 0 is cot 0. Cot 0 value 0, 0. That is 0, right hand side. That's all for this video.